So this is professional artists fixative, which you use for spraying on loose charcoal drawings or pastel or heavy graphite drawings that you want to make sure that the drawing is not going to smudge and the dust is not going to come off the drawing. So I want to point out an absolute no-no that I see some people doing. Never, please never do this. Instead of spending a few dollars on a can of professional artists fixative, people I know have gone out and somebody's told them that it's okay to use hairspray. Please don't use hairspray on your precious drawings. Hairspray is full of perfumes, oils, moisturizers, all varnishes, all sorts of things that are just terrible for the paper and for your drawing. When you're thinking about longevity of your drawings, in a few years' time, you don't want to see it with brown patches sprayed all over your beautiful drawing. So please just shell out a couple of extra dollars and get one of these brands of fixative for artists from an art shop somewhere and use that instead. Sure, it functions a lot like hairspray. It's going to lock everything into place, but these will not leave stuff all over your drawing and your paper that's going to destroy the paper over the years. So please don't use hairspray on your precious drawings.